Hey guys, this is Noor. Welcome to today's video. Today's recipe is one of my favorites. It is on how to make delicious marshmallowy Rice Krispies treats. This recipe is the best for two reasons. One, you only need 4 ingredients, and 2, it yields thick and very marshmallowy Rice Krispie treats. The 4 ingredients are 1, cereal, 2, mini marshmallows, of course, 3, butter, and finally, vanilla extract. For the cereal part, it's totally optional. You can go all Rice Krispies, or you can get creative like me and add in a few cups of Fruity Pebbles. This addition will make the Rice Krispie treats look so happy and joyful, taste so fruity like childhood, and smell like heaven. So before any further ado, let's get started. you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like my video, please give it thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned to more videos. All ingredients are written in the description box below. See you guys in the next recipe video. Bye-bye.